doing like back and forth with between both chamfer foil gels. Only if not gonna chamfer like me, if you got chance to watch me live on Saturday, quick, really cool troubleshootings and 30 seconds for this one. It's only not chamfer by doing it like alongside of chamfer foil design, which has happened to me. So this is the look. Here that is 3 looks, and we're gonna do precision glue shortly so you can see the look is fun for this. Oh, right there. Sorry. Here you go. The top right. Just leave it right there, yeah. You can see the look of it. Can you see? Oh, what are you doing? I'm just accidentally touched my hand on it, so we'll see how it's gonna transfer for me. So this, I'm using it from this collection, a designer transfer foil set. So last time we did it transfer this look. So I am gonna do, I just accidentally touched my hand on it. We'll see how it's gonna transfer for us. And I need my tweezers. You get it right in the back. It should transfer really cool now. I don't think I need tweezers, but on this part right there is really help. And then sometimes my hands get oil on, you know, it's hard to transfer it. I mean, it's hard to rub it thoroughly. You can see this transfer everything. I'm gonna do it slowly so you can see that. There you go. It's really cool. It creates a marble looks right away. All right. So let's do some crystal placements and our dragon scale, the newest one.
About 3 minutes.
3 minutes. So I'm gonna using condensed glue gels. We'll do quick 3 minutes crystal placements, and we will definitely gonna be right back. Apply the generous amount of the condensed glue gel, not too thick and not too thin.
Okay. So I'm thinking we're gonna just turn up right now. We'll be right back. We have like a minute.
Okay, we're gonna be right back. I'm gonna apply top coat and I'm gonna wait for all of you, okay? So
Alright.
please be back with me. I'll still be here waiting for you.
We'll be right back, ladies.
Just for Instagram, thank you YouTube and Facebook for your patience. Great, so we're gonna wait for just seconds, and I'm just applying the no wipe top coat on the top of condensed glue gel. This will help on the top of uncured condensed glue gel. This will help to grab the base of crystals and really nice and that's the reason it will keep. That's one of really good keys to keep the crystals from coming off, because between condensed gels and no wipe top coat, it will kind of suck the base of the crystal in. Then it will never have any issue with coming off. And we will using precision glue to double secures all of crystals, just in case it have like some cracks and some edges of the crystals, or some gaps that is like between crystals. So then that way it will help to stay so much longer. So I'm placing that one right in center. And then I have this crimson drop. Hello everyone, welcome back to our live tutorial. I know. Hey Live Rat, thanks so much for tuning back in. All right, so I did is the crimson red is the centerpiece, and I did have my 2 crimsons drop, and I am going to using your newest Dragon Scale collection, place them between. Great. And just using this super cute frames. I'm gonna using silver because it's gonna make for red, white, and blue. This doesn't turn it for me. Ready to go. Using my crystals, smaller size, I believe this is SS4. Just a little space for that. Let's see, just a little bit. This nail is like blinged out. I'm gonna do some blue on this one. Oh, looks cute. Smaller. Oh, I like that. A lot is going on these nails. Definitely like no crystal break for these nails at all. Like this one, I'm gonna go with silver beads again. You can do with rose gold. I think it looks good either way. I don't know, everyone's now like it's hard for me to pick which one is my favorite because they are dramatic. Look, I have these two pieces right here. Some furs on that. Clean that one. I'm adjusting this just a little bit. There you go. That's crap. Can you hold this for a second? Thank you. Good. Thank you. But if you're happy with this, we're gonna clear this one. Hold on, I think I missed some ones. Beads right there. And one more on this side. Great. Now we're gonna key this one. This is so massive of the, great. So now we're gonna key this one for 60 seconds.